Welcome to Stoneforge. Coach Matt will lead us through the workout for Wednesday, May 6th. Today's warm-up is a 12-minute EMOM. We will complete 3 rounds of the following exercises. We will start with 8 burpees. Coach Matt drops all the way down from his feet through a plank position until chest and hips touch the ground. He then lowers himself down to the ground, pushes back up, stands, and comes to a vertical position. The second movement in our warm-up is our air squats. We will complete 12 air squats by first positioning our heels shoulder width apart, then descending hip crease below knee crease before standing all the way back up. On the third minute of each round, we will complete 10 push-ups. Notice Coach Matt takes up a plank position by placing his hands directly beneath his shoulders, his body in a generally straight line from shoulders down to ankles, and lowers his chest down towards the floor. We can also complete this from our knees, but just make sure that we are staying in a generally straight line. Our fourth and final movement during the warm-up is 30 single jump ropes or 30 toe taps. During our single jump ropes, we will jump over the rope 1 time for each turn. We will complete 30 singles. If we do not have a jump rope or we cannot complete the movement, we will take an object approximately 2 to 4 inches off of the floor, and we will alternate feet, tapping it on top of the object repeatedly. Once again, our warm-up today is a 12-minute EMOM, 3 rounds of 4 exercises. Please pause the video here to complete your warm-up. Today's skill work is a 12-minute EMOM alternating between even and odd minutes. During the even minutes, we will have 2 exercises. The first is pistols. We will complete 10 pistols by alternating our single leg squat from left and right foot. It is 10 total, meaning that we should accomplish 5 per leg. If we cannot complete our pistols, we will instead complete 10 curtsey lunges or curtsey squats. We will position 1 foot forward and drop the alternate knee down behind the heel of that foot. Within the same minute of pistols or curtsey lunges, we will complete 10 decline push-ups. To complete our decline push-ups, we will place our feet or our knees on an object that is higher than our hands. First, Coach Matt there was completing the decline push-up from the toe position, and now he is completing it from his knees. From the knees, we will drastically reduce the amount of body weight we will be pressing to the up position. Conversely, during the odd minutes, we will also complete 2 movements, but those movements will be dips and incline push-ups. Coach Matt first shows the most challenging movement with feet positioned at or just below the height of the hands. Ensure that our back or our butt is remaining close to whatever surface we are using to accomplish our dips. Here Coach Matt is demonstrating the first option of scaling down to where our heels are in line with the floor and not with the hands. Finally, you can bend the knees, bringing the feet towards the butt, and that will decrease the amount of weight we are supporting with our arms. Finally, in the odd minute, we will complete 10 incline push-ups, where our hands are positioned above the height of our feet. This will work a different muscle group from the decline push-ups. Once again, our skill work is a 12-minute EMOM alternating between even and odd minutes. Please pause the video here to complete your skill work. Our WOD today is a Tidal Wave workout with 3 consecutive AMRAPs separated each by 1 minute rest. We will first go over just the movements completed. Coach Matt is demonstrating the deadlift. He's first showing us with a heavier kettlebell how to complete a deadlift from the center line position. His feet are approximately shoulder width apart. His hands grasp the object. He maintains good posterior chain tension from his thoracic spine all the way through his lumbar. He slightly bends his knees, lowers the object to the floor, and then stands up, keeping good thoracic tension throughout. Secondly, Coach Matt will now demonstrate our box jumps. We can complete box jumps or box step-ups. Choose a surface that is appropriate for your ability and is stable enough that you can complete the movements. If we are jumping, gentlemen, the prescribed would be 24 and ladies 20. Here he is demonstrating the step-ups. On both step-ups and box jumps, ensure that on the top position we are fully engaging the glutes and standing all the way up. Now Coach Matt is going to switch and demonstrate the handstand push-ups. He's going to kick up against the wall, lower himself down, and press back to the up position. Here Matt is demonstrating the strict handstand push-ups, but we can also then go to a kipping handstand as needed. We may also place an object beneath the head to reduce the overall range of motion if need be while still working on the skill. Coach Matt here is demonstrating the pike push-up, where we position our feet above the height of our hands, but our shoulders and wrists are in line with our hips. We then lower ourselves down and press back to the up position. Our final movement, which is also an alternate scale for our handstand push-ups, is our shoulder to overhead. We take one object in each hand. We use any amount of momentum from the lower body to press and drive the weight to the overhead position. Once again, our WOD today is a tidal wave workout. It will begin first with a 4-minute AMRAP of our deadlifts, box jumps, and handstand push-ups. Following this 4-minute period, we will rest for 1 minute prior to switching to a 5-minute AMRAP. The 5-minute AMRAP has hang cleans, box jumps, and shoulder to overhead. We will complete 5 minutes of these 3 movements before resting for 1 more minute and then completing the first 4-minute AMRAP again with deadlifts, box jumps, and handstand push-ups to finish us out. We do hope you have a great workout, and as always, we hope that you stay Stone Forge strong.